Woodwork is a supportive and inclusive space where participants explore creativity, develop practical skills, and build confidence through hands-on making. Working with natural materials, individuals learn to sand, saw, drill, screw and hammer, developing fine motor control, problem solving, and spatial awareness along the way. Sessions are person-centred and paced to each individual's personal focus. This creates pride in what's being created. Woodwork can be both calming and empowering. Its rhythmic, tactile nature supporting emotional well-being and concentration. Participants work on meaningful seasonal projects throughout the year, from garden planters and benches to bird boxes, outdoor equipment and festive creations for the Advent sale. Above all, Woodwork is about growth, building skills, confidence and a sense of achievement, one project at a time.